We're here at Kayangan Lake. Here. Wow! Ganda! Ayan o, ang linaw! Hi! Little fish! Good morning guys! Welcome to Coron Vlog Day 3! So today, we're going to have a tour again of the Coron Islands. Ang main highlight ng tour ngayon is yung Kayangan Lake. Pag sinabing Coron, parang kadikit na siya ng Kayangan Lake kasi it's one of the most famous tourist attractions here in Coron. So ang tawag sa tour na gagawin natin ngayon is yung Tour A. Ang mga kasama doon are yung Kayangan Lake, Sunset Beach, CYC Beach, Coral Garden, and Twin Reef, ganon. So, merong mga snorkeling ata ulit na gagawin later. Pero, excited talaga ako dun sa Kayangan Lake kasi nga, sobrang ganda talaga niya. The last time I went there, maraming tao lang, pero ang ganda pa rin. Pero mamaya, ina-expect ko mas konti yung tao and mas ma-appreciate natin yung lugar. So, samahan niyo ako mag-explore later. Breakfast muna tayo and prepare lang. Then, head out na tayo and susunduin na tayo ng van papunta doon ulit sa jump-off point kung saan tayo dinala kahapon para sumakay ng boat. So, ayun. I'll see you guys later. We are here at the jump-off point. Pero iba ata ngayon yung pinaka-head tour guide.
So today our tour is the package A, the tour A, right? Say yes please.
Yes!
Right. So that's the island we're going to, everybody. So that's Coron Island. That's why they call it Four Calamian Islands are out of this land of Luzon, okay? So today we're going to the one of the most famous island on that Coron Island. So they call it the Kayangan Lake. That's awarded because that lake, it's a greenest and cleanest lake water. So means everyone's lucky today because you have opportunity to mix swim to the greenest and cleanest lake water.
Yes.
But before we're going to reach that lake, there's more than 300 steps going to the lake. Another 300 steps going back to the boat. So that's total of more than 600 steps. That's brackish water, by the way, guys. That's mixing of fresh and salt water. So mixing, so fresh water came from the limestone, came from the forest, salt water came from the ocean, okay? So
nice.
You're mixing, so that's why they call it brackish. But sometimes, there's also very warmer water from the guests, from us. Yeah. That's why sometimes there's three kinds of water, okay? Fresh water, salt water, and urine water from us. If you feel warmer, trust me, that's your companion, okay? Alright. So the most important, everyone, of course, I would like to inform you about our activities we're doing today on the island. Of course, we're doing snorkeling because today we're going to the one of the snorkeling area on that tour A, especially they call it the Twin Reef. So we're going up there on that Twin Reef. Then you guys are going down.
I thought
you wear that massive snorkel. Then look down. Don't worry if you don't know how to mix swim because Kuya Darwin and also me, we're going to go down also to assist you going to the snorkeling area, okay?
Alright.
Yes, and today also, ma'am, sir, like I said before, I'm doing this almost 9 years as a tour guide. Every time I'm going there on that island, I'm always amazed. So what is that island? That's Green Lagoon. That's the lagoon I told you before, ma'am. Green Lagoon is one of the most beautiful lagoon on that island because a lot of rocks formation you're going to explore there, okay? From the Green Lagoon, you have opportunity to reach more lagoon close to that Green Lagoon. They call it Blue Lagoon and then Green Lagoon. Okay?
We
tayo dun sa ano, yung papuntang Kayangan Lake. Mayroong konting hiking. Tapos, ang sabi, 300 steps daw. Tapos, 300 steps pabalik. So, a total of 600. Ganda. Layo namu.
Puro pa sa
Tung Kayangan.
What does it mean?
Write your name here.
Okay. We're gonna write our names here. Ayan. So, mag-start na tayo. Akyatin natin to, guys. We can do this. Kinaya nga natin yung tapyas eh. Yan. Hi, Geza. Hi, Mommy. Okay. Malapit na kami sa kalahati. Wow! Ayun na yung view! Alright. We made it. Whew. We made it.
It's not swimming, it's hiking.
We made it to the famous photo spot. Whew. Mommy, I think this is the peak. So, pababa na after yan. So, you can...
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?
Kita ang ganda ng Kayangan Lake. We're here at Kayangan Lake. Here. Wow! Grabe, sobrang clear ng tubig. Hi guys, arrived here in Kayangan Lake. So this is one of the top tourist attractions here in Coron and said to have the cleanest and clearest water here in the island. This consists of 70% fresh water and 30% salt water. So kung makikita nyo siya, sobrang clear niya. Ayan o. Ayan. So konti lang yung tao guys. Lalo dito, ang ganda ng view oh. Wow. Sige, try natin pumunta doon sa kabila. Let's go. Konti ng tao. Wala pa sila, Doc, yung kasama namin sa boat. Nasa taas pa sila, yung may photo spot. Nagpipicture pa sila doon. Itim ko na. Grabe. It's my third day pero ang itim na natin, oh. Okay lang yan. Minsan lang naman tayong makapunta dito. Susulitin na natin. Hello! Yan, aking mga tourmates kasama sa boat. Punta tayo dun sa banda doon. Kasi may hagdan doon eh na if you want to go swimming. Kasi ayoko naman tumalon. Wala lang, nakatakot lang tumalon. Tayo dun sa kabila. Oh, ito yung sinasabi kong hagdan. Yan, dun tayo bababa later. Hi, tita! Ayan sila po. Kuya.
Kasama nga po. Pati yung dalawa.
Oo. Ay, pakikiraan lang.
Welcome to my vlog!
Hi, kuya! Wow, ayan si Mami, oh. May pawisik-wisik na effect doon, oh.
Doon, maganda yung sa gilid. Meron pa doon.
Ang talaga, punta tayo doon, guys. Sabi ni Gazel, maganda raw doon sa gilid. Wow! Oo nga, ang ganda nga dito. Wow! Ganda. Maganda pero ang ay, umuuga, shoot. Shoot. Umuuga siya. Ayan, oh, ang linaw. Kaso ayoko dito, guys, umuuga. Afraid. Ayan, balik na tayo dito. Okay guys, it's time to go back to our boat and head to our next destination. So we have to say goodbye to Kayangan Lake. I'll see you next time, Kayangan Lake. Alright, last view of the Kayangan Lake before we go to our next destination. Just wow. Bye!